When it comes to adding style and sophistication to your home, it's tough to beat stone. Versetta Stone siding makes its presence felt outdoors and indoors. With its natural shapes and handcrafted details, Versetta Stone pays homage to the skill and artistry of stone artisans, using panels that capture the texture, depth, and dimension of hand-laid stone walls. Available in a comprehensive collection of popular styles and colors, Versetta Stone lets you create exterior stone walls that fit right in with virtually every kind of cladding option and feel right at home as an interior accent wall or fireplace surround. Here are more reasons to choose Versetta Stone for your next project. Ledge Stone's traditional dry stack stone look complements a variety of home styles. Tight Cut delivers the sophisticated look of expertly cut and fitted stone. Carved Block's chiseled texture makes it a great fit for both contemporary and commercial applications. Versetta Stone comes in trending colors that complement any home style. The Carved Block style comes in Sea Salt and Midnight, while Ledge Stone and Tight Cut come in Terra Rosa, Sterling, Plum Creek, Sand, Mission Point, and Northern Ash. Its panelized design creates a virtually seamless appearance, which means it can easily be installed by a siding contractor or even do-it-yourselfers. The panelized tongue and groove design with embedded nailing flange makes it easy to install with screws or nails, in any weather and without requiring a mason. Versetta Stone panels include everything you need to complete your project, from panels, corners, and ledges to trim stones, screws, and caulk. The built-in water drainage plane makes for years and years of worry-free performance. The fiber-reinforced panels and embedded nailing flange withstand freezing, thawing, and high winds. Versetta Stone is made from a minimum of 50% recycled content because it's the right thing to do. Versetta Stone's premium performance is confidently backed by a 50-year limited warranty, which can be transferred to the next owner. For everyone, from siding pros to DIYers, and from one stunning homescape to the next, Versetta Stone adds dimensional distinction.